So we have, again, cosine of 2 theta relates to 2 cosine of square theta minus 1, right? So look, it relates the double angle into a single angle. So I want a relationship between double angle and angle and a half angle. And the key to doing that, right, is to replace theta. If you replace theta with a half angle, let's say a phi over 2. Let's use x, because you guys like x, right?
Yes.
Okay, I already use x. Sorry. So let's replace theta with x over 2. Both sides. Then you get a cosine of x is equal to 2 cosine of square x over 2 minus 1. So now let's replace this. So let's isolate this. So you get a cosine of x plus 1. Okay, and then you can divide both sides by 2 and you get a half cosine of x plus 1 is equal to cosine of square x over 2. And our ultimate goal is to isolate the cosine of x over 2. So you get a plus minus square root of, okay, let me write like this, 1 plus cosine of x over 2.
What?
So let me just recall, we did a lot of algebra, so you might have lost while we were doing this. I want a simple formula which relates a half angle to a single angle. Okay, that's what I want to do. Okay, so hold on, let me just do an example here. So for example, cosine of 22.5 degrees. Find the value of that. Do you see how this is a half angle of 45 degrees? So we can do this. 1 plus a cosine of 45 degrees all over 2. Now, I know it's going to be positive, not negative. Why? So it's a plus minus. The formula was plus or minus, right? Right. So this plus or minus is not always two answers, actually. It's one or the other, and it's purely determined on this angle. This angle means we're in the first quadrant. So it's positive. So we have a half 1 plus root 2 over 2. So you get you can factor out a half, you get 1 over 4, 2 plus root 2. I don't know if you have to do this. So then you get a half square root of 2 plus root 2. Yeah, I think most people would expect you to do that.